Hey guys, let's make some chili cheese dog. In a pot, olive oil, ground beef, break it all up, brown your meat, onions and jalapenos, cook for about a minute or two, a ton of garlic and pepper paste, a hunk of tomato paste, mix, 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 chopped tomatoes, mix it all up, about a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, paprika, onion powder, cumin powder, and a tablespoon of chili powder. Now you want to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. 1 can of tomato puree, half a cup of beef broth. Cover and simmer on low for about 40 minutes. Butter, garlic and pepper paste, melt, parsley, brioche buns. Get that butter, paint it up like Picasso. Get all in there. Toast at 400 for about 3 to 4 minutes. Check on that chili. Ooh, boy. Feel free to add any type of beans for like 10 more minutes, but I don't like beans on my chili dog. Roughly score your hot dogs like so. Go ahead and brown up your hot dogs. Toasted buns, hot dog, pile on that chili, freshly grated cheddar cheese. Melt your cheese. Ooh. Onions, jalapenos. Need I say more? Serve it up with some fries, and there you have it, guys. Enjoy.